Hello, my dear Bacha Party. So hope you are doing well at your home. Again, we are back on the online classes, and I know this very well. You are not serious related to your studies, but you have to because the exams are near and you have to prepare yourself. So right now, the weather is not so good, and I hope that you are enjoying at your home. We are going to start the topic of chapter number 11 of geography, that is life in the desert. Hot desert, Sahara desert we have completed into the class only. Now we are going to start, that is the cold desert of Ladakh. Ladakh cold desert we are going to start. Location and climate. We are going to study about the location and climate of Ladakh. As I have already told into the class that Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, they both have become the union territory. Okay, and it has been, and what is the height of this union territory? It is about 9,000 feet mean sea level. MSL means mean sea level. Right, MSL has been given. So it is mean sea level. Means to say that कि आपके समुद्र से कितनी ऊंचाई पर, how much it is higher than that of the sea level, that particular height is being counted into mean sea level, or you can say MSL. Okay, so it extends between the Himalaya. Where it is located? Ladakh is located between the Himalayas, such as the Karakoram mountains. Between that, the Ladakh range is being located. Ladakh lies between the Kunlun mountain. Underline that one into your book, that where the Ladakh is located, it is located between the Kunlun mountain, it is in the north direction, and the Great Himalayas in the south, it is into the south direction. So, between that, Ladakh is located. The Indus River flows through this region, and there are many tributaries which emerges from the glaciers and bring water into the Indus River. There are so many glaciers over there, by which when it melts, then the water get included, the water get collected into the form of a river, and that particular river is known as Indus River. Okay, Ladakh is a high altitude desert in the Himalayas. Why it is known as cold desert? You know that there is a rain shadow. As I have already explained into the class, that what actually happens? There is a mountain. What they used to do when the clouds filled with water are coming there, they need to stop them. These mountains are used to make them to stop. So the clouds, what they do, they used to do the rainfall before the mountains, and when they get lighter, means to say that जब उनका वजन घट जाता है, बारिश पूरी एक ही साइड में हो जाती है, तो फिर क्या होता है? That particular clouds used to move up of the mountains, and there is no any water. There is no any water left into the clouds. That particular clouds are known as, they are making a shadow over there, so that particular clouds are known as the shadow. Okay, these particular clouds are known as rain shadow. So they deny to enter the monsoon clouds into the other side. Himalayas used to stop the monsoon clouds over there, and they are not allowing them to bring the rain from into the Ladakh region. That's why that particular area is covered with the rain shadow. Okay. Next, the main source of water in the winter is a snowfall on the mountains. What is the main source of water? That is snowfall into the mountain, and it is because of this phenomena that it comes in the category of areas with rain deficit, and therefore classified as cold desert, because there is no any rain used to happen over there. There is no any chance of rain over there, very little, or either in the form of snowfall. So the water which is been found into the Ladakh region, that is in the form of snow, not in the form of rain. So that particular snow forms the water in the form of the particular river, or either it get collected into the region where the ponds or lakes are found. Climatically, summers are short. Climatically अगर देखा जाए तो समर क्या है आपके short है. Summers are short, but it is enough by which they could do the cropping over there. Okay, and the summer weather is dry and pleasant. Means to say that it is dry, but it has a pleasant weather over there. Means to say that the temperature is not too much high and not too much low. It is pleasant. Temperature ranges is up to the 3 to 35 degrees Celsius into the summer, and the weather and the climate of Ladakh display great diversity. On one hand, you can get fog pine because of extremely cold weather condition, while on the other, blaring sun can give you sunburns. Okay. On the other hand, you will feel too much cold, but at the another side, when the sun used to come out, it can burn your skin. So you have to be protected. If you are going over there, you have to protect yourself related to the environment. So that both the conditions are applying into the Ladakh region. Lack of rain leads to the lack of greenery, and this turns has caused a shortage of oxygen into this region. Those people who are living there, they are habitual to live and they can survive into less oxygen. But those who are visiting as or doing the tour into that region, the problem is that either when they used to visit over there, they have to take rest up to the 24 hours, or they get acclimated to reduce oxygen level. By 24 hours, they have to be habitual by get into the oxygen level, according to the oxygen level. Then else they may need immediate hospitalization, or if they are not doing so, what happens? They have to get hospitalized and they have to make themselves to be adaptive related to that environment, or either if they are not getting so, it causes death also. So you have to be careful while visiting these particular areas. You have to be you have to be prepared by yourself. Flora and fauna. What type of flora and fauna are found over there? That is, most common animal found here are the yak, which is the largest animal found in the Ladakh region. Yak is the largest animal which is found into the Ladakh region. And Nyan, the largest sheep of the world, Bharan, the blue sheep, and the Uriel, the smallest sheep of the world, both the sheeps are found into that region. Bharan, the largest sheep, Nyan, is found into the Ladakh. The Uriel, the smallest sheep, blue sheep, and the Uriel, these both sheep are also found into the Ladakh. World's largest and world's smallest, both sheep are found over there. So at the lower altitude, when you come down at the lower altitude, means to say that up to here. Up in high altitude, you used to found these type of animals, and when you come down to the lower altitude, you will found musk deer, mouse hares, red foxes, wolves, ibex, bharat, and shaku. These type of wild animals you will found into these areas, and also it includes the snow leopard. Snow leopard is also found into this region. So these are the particular things which I have told you. I hope you will enjoy, you will revise it, not enjoy, you will revise it and be prepared for the examination. Let's check is over there on the page number 200. You have to find out that and you have to solve that particular questions by yourself, because I have already told that into the examination from this questions will also come into the exam. So prepare yourself. Thank you so much.